Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Fabletics VIP membership. So first, launch your web browser and go to fabletics.com. Make sure you sign in. And after that, on the top right corner of the screen, you will see help and contact here. Click on that. Scroll down until you see the contact us button. Click on it and dial this telephone number. And then when you're connected, request a cancellation of your VIP membership. So why call instead of canceling online? Many users have reported difficulties canceling their membership online due to website issues. Calling customer service ensures that your request is processed efficiently and without any hassle. So the cancellation process by phone typically takes only about 10 minutes, and once your request is processed, you will see your account cancelled promptly. And basically that's it.